video contains dangerous high voltage and deadly microwave experiments, so don't try this at home. Here I got one broken microwave oven from my local recycle center. Let's test it. Nothing is working. Let's take it apart. Remove the top cover. It's more difficult than I thought. It finally came out. The top view is like this. Here, we are in like flint. You can see the magnetron, high voltage transformer, cooling fan for the magnetron, the control panel, micro switches for the door, because there is no power at all. So let's check the fuse first. Here it is. Let's check it with the power supply, because I can't find my multimeter. But it works after all. The fuse is blown. There does not have a short circuit. So let's bypass it. Of course this is extremely dangerous. But let's do it anyway. Plug it in. The 7-segment display lights up. Let's put some water in it to see if it can work. Set the timer. And here we go. The timer is working but not the other internal. Remember, if you really want to try this, discharge the capacitor every time before you touch the circuit. This part doesn't work. So let's check this switch first. Take the switch out. The contacts are welded. Cut some extra plastic because the contacts are too short. Of course, replace a new switch is better. But this works anyway. Put the switch back. The switch is working. Let's test it again. Set the timer. It finally works. The magnetron, fan, light turntable, they're all working. Now the repair is finished. But we plan to do something more interesting. And more dangerous, of course. Let's try to make some plasma with it. First we try it with fresh grapes. But it just makes a mess and not making any plasma. And the beaker is full of steam. So let's burn the grapes with the stove to remove most of the water. It took a lot of time. It was almost dry. Let's try it again. Cover it with a bead. Close the door. And it's working. Plasma is floating in the beaker. It's a huge success. So let's try another trick with the high voltage transformer. First unscrew the transformer. It's really heavy. Well over 5 kilograms. So be careful not to drop it down. Here it is. The output is about 2000 V on AC 110 V. Let's connect the power cable directly to the transformer. Connect one piece of wire to the high voltage side. The others connect to a piece of metal and tape the wire to a long stick to trigger it remotely. Let's test it. It make a bright orange spark. That's nice. Breaker tripped. Let's start building the final project. The Jacob's ladder. Not this sh*T of course. First bend 2 wire to a L shape. Wires to wires to the cardboard with tape. And the wire to a C shape. One of course. try. Still too close. Third try. The wires are welded to the knife. So let's stick the cardboard to the table. Final try. It worked. It looks beautiful. Breaker trim. That's it for this video. But nowadays everyone use ad blockers. That makes me impossible to earn money. So if you like this video, you can support me on Patreon. Link is in the description down below. Thanks for watching.